and welcome to AnyBiz. Generating leads and creating profitable sales opportunities can be easier than you think. Learn the secrets of lead generation to create a strategy that helps your business grow. B2B sales are very easy. Alright, I'm just kidding. Lead generation is a bit tough if you don't use the technique. However, with the right strategy and tactics, you can rock the market. Boom, and you got it. So today we are talking about top 5 essential elements of a successful lead generation strategy. Subscribe, press like button and notification bell. There are a number of softwares available in the market which we are going to talk about later in this video, but before, let's understand what lead generation actually is and how it is important to understand it in depth. What is lead generation? A lead typically is the contact data at the times, segment data of a client who is keen on a particular item or administration. There are two kinds of lead generation market: sales leads and marketing leads. Sales lead is a person or business who may eventually become a client. Sales lead also refers to the data that identifies an entity as a potential buyer of a product or service. Businesses gain access to sales leads through advertising, trade shows, direct mailing, third parties, and other marketing efforts. A sales lead is not really a sales prospect per se, because a business would need to examine and qualify the potential new client further to determine their intent and interest. Marketing leads are brand explicit leads produced for an extraordinary promoter of. Indirect differentiation to deals drives marketing leads are sold just a single time. Because transparency is a necessary requisite for generating marketing leads, marketing lead campaigns can be optimized by mapping leads to their sources. How important it is to understand lead generation. To sustain in the market, you have to plan accordingly, or better, to think one step ahead. After prediction is the only thing which you can do for free. Behind the complicity and vision of many promoting activities and missions, for the most part sits a similar goal: producing new leads through various securing methods. Leads, also called prospects or potential clients, inside the promoting climate are clients that have given their data to an organization and as a result are currently essential for that association's data set. As per an examination by Bright Talk, over half of showcasing subject matter experts, 53%, devote in any event half of their proposition to lead age as it were. This gives us a thought of its significance. First of all, you need to realize that a lead indicates to any individual or organization that is conceivably intrigued by your item or administration. Leads that show interest initially are called procured or warm leads, while drives that have no early information on their business are called sourced or cold leads. Lead generation process, 4 steps only. Search for B2B leads, pitch the leads, proceed with a high prospect lead, and close leads. Making your prospects feel like they have an exclusive membership in a club makes lead generation a positive customer experience. Remember this. Lead generation tools. In today's era, everyone is dependent on tools, be it for any business owners, students, or for the house purpose, and it's valid too, I guess. After all, it's the 21st century. In the marketing world, you have to collect and interpret the data on a colossal scale, and there is the possibility of mistakes. Why take that risk? Let's have a peek at the tools. Drift, live chat, calendar, scheduling, landing pages. AnyBiz.io, lead generation, auto-cold email campaign, follow-up emails. Wormy.io, email deliverability, spam filters avoiding, email warm-up. Outreach.io, sales engagement and lead feeder, identifying who is browsing your website. Lead generation strategy. It may sound stale saying that content is the king, but it's true. Content is not only the king, but the lifeblood of the lead generation effort. While an incredibly broad term, content marketing encompasses every type of format imaginable. The key to a sound content material advertising and marketing method is mapping messaging to an income funnel. For instance, even Even though interplay with case research and product sheets may additionally be indicative of a sales-ready lead, that doesn't suggest an advertising group ought to lead with this kind of content, as these sorts of belongings are generally added similarly down the income process. So the place does content material advertising and marketing earn its recognition as a lead technology magnet. 10 points to be remembered in lead generation. Use SEO for organic lead generation. Reach out to customers of products related to your niche. Use live chat for B2B lead generation. Get featured on review websites. Build a brand community on Facebook. Create a free tool. Do highly personalized cold outreach. Use Facebook ads to generate those leads. Utilize LinkedIn lead generation. And amplify lead generation with affiliate marketing. I hope you have an idea of how you can increase your lead generation skills by following these elements. It's not necessary that all of the tips work perfectly fine for your business, as every niche has a different set of audiences and has different goals, so you need to make sure of all. If you like this video, don't forget to do all the necessary actions in order not to miss next new video like this one.